How to fix Windows Media Player encountered a problem while playing the file. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix this issue. The first thing you want to do is click on the search bar and search Device Manager. Here you will find the option of Sound, Video and Game Controller. Click on that. You will find the Realtek Audio option. Click that. Now at the top you have this arrow button. Go ahead and click on that. That's going to disable the device. Now it's going to say disabling this device will cause it to stop functioning. Go ahead and click on the yes option. Now restart your PC. Once it has been restarted, you again want to open Device Manager. Click on Sound, Video and Game Controller. Then select Realtek Audio and now you want to re-enable this. Go ahead and click on the same arrow button. Then re-enable it. After that, you can restart your PC, then open up the video file where you were finding that error and you will see that the problem has now been fixed. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.